speak English? Oh, okay. What's your name? Timro naam ka ho? Huh? Huh? Nikesh. Oh, Nikesh. Which class? LKG. Okay, this Nikesh. Nikesh. Selfie, okay? Selfie, Nikesh. Selfie with Nikesh. Your school name?
English secondary.
Okay. Say any word in English. Any English word.
अर्को अर्को कुनै पनि इङ्ग्लिस बोर्ड भन्दा
Say.
My तिम्रो प्रिन्सिपलको नाम भन न. My principal name
Principal name Sanjay.
अनि my mother name is
My mother name is
Bhagwati.
Bhavati Chaulagai.
My father name is
My father name is
Namrat Chauraga.
Namrat Chaulagai.
अब सिस्टरहरुको नाम भन त.
My sister name is Chachana.
निरुता.
Okay, great. Thank you. You speak well. Keep improving, okay? Learn every day. Speak English so that you be international. You travel global, okay?